Alright, so if you have less than 4 GB or less than 4 GB RAM, I tried many of the editing software like you can see Premiere Pro 2022. I tried Filmora, but the only one that worked for me was actually a software called Shortcut. You can see it on here on the screen. So this software you can just download it online and it's completely free. It doesn't require anything and Shortcut. You can just type Shortcut video editor download and go on to download website. Here you can just download installer. Here you have to select which of the CPU you have. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape simultaneously. And after you've done that, Ctrl, Shift, Escape, our menu will pop up. Go to Performance, go to CPU. I'll full screen it here. You can see it's a 12th generation Intel. Now, this is the PC. This is my different laptop, but in the old laptop, I was using this software. So you can see here that the CPU is the Intel. So what I will do is I will download. It is for Intel or AMD CPU. If you are the ARM CPU, you can download it that. And if you are the less than the Windows 10, like your Windows 7 or 8, you can download that. I'll download this one. It takes a bit of a time, like 5 seconds to give you the downloading option. But it's one of the best softwares out there if you're like the low-end PC. And yeah, it's taking a bit longer this time. Okay, it started downloading. So I'll pause the video because it would be a waste of time. Okay, so it completed the downloading. What you need to do, if you're using Chrome browser, press Ctrl J and you'll see the software downloaded here. Double click on it and it will ask you user account control. You have to click yes to allow it. If you click multiple times then and it pops up again and again, you have to click no, and then you have to click next. Here you have to just let it just stay here, next, and then you have to click on install. It will start installing the software, so it's not really that long installation process. I don't think I need to pause the video for that. It just takes a bit longer. Okay, so I think I will pause the video here. Okay, so this is completed the installation. Right now what you need to do is click on finish and it will finish the installation. And let me show you how this software actually works. So it will show you a shortcut here, like on the desktop you create a shortcut. If it doesn't, sometimes they don't create it. What you need to do is click here on this icon, start, and search for SHOTCUT shortcut. Open it. It takes it's really opens quickly in this PC, but anyway, so here you can select your project folder. I'll just let it by default. Project name, let's say try, and video mode you can just select automatically. This is what I was using before and it's had no problem. Click on start and it started here. It's not freeze or anything. It's did started it. So let me show you how the editing here is done. I'll just show you the basics. So let's say I import this video here. How do you import the video? Just select it and drag and drop to here, the timeline. It will import the video, and it's a good thing about this software is that you can actually make the proxies in the background. Here you can go to the setting. Here you can go to proxies. You have to enable use proxies. Sometimes it's enabled by default. If it doesn't, then you have to enable it, and you can select the storage for it. I just use the project folder, or you can just set a different one if you want. So that's how you make the proxies. For this PC, it's working really fast, but it's not really that fast because obviously you will have like the lower end PC. So how you edit in this video software? So Here's this other option called cut, copy, paste. And if you just the way I used to edit was, let's say I want to remove this silence. What I will do is I'll get my here this what's called this cursor or something and press S. It will divide it, make another from here to where I want to cut. So I'll just make it till here. Select that and click on this option, cut, or you can press Ctrl X and it just cuts it. This I was using the software. Now this is not the video about tutorial of this software. I don't know how this software works perfectly because the only editing I was doing was like basic edits like removing the silence and unwanted part. I wasn't applying like any type of effects, so I don't know how to apply those. And make sure that your proxy is on. Here we can see the proxies option here, that the proxy should actually be 540 pixel because that's actually how it works better. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you're like the low-end PC, I think this is the most best software because there are many other softwares, but they require really like high RAM. And one thing about this software is that it takes a long time to export. So if I just export it, to export it, you need to click Control E, and that's it. I can just export it, for example, on the desktop. And if I say save, it will start the exporting. You can see the progress here. So even if you are like a really strong PC, it will take time compared to the Adobe, which is quicker. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do like and subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.